Hello guys, in this video I will give a tutorial or make creative ideas from used goods. Namely used goods from broken LED lights. This will become creative and very interesting items. See this video until it's finished. And coincidentally this lamp is broken, huh? Like this. Broke like this. And has been demolished. And this lamp component is already damaged. Just cover the lamp or lamp container. This is fine. We can still use it and we can take advantage of it. We take off the lid first. Then we dismantle everything and we let go. After this, we give a little sand. Give a little sand like this. Then we prepare a candle. And prepare the container. We also cut this candle. Which later we will melt this candle. Then we prepare a straw and axis from the wax. We measure and cut it, more or less this. We put it in the straw and function of the sand as a support for this straw. Then we melt the candle that we cut earlier. If it is liquid like this, we pour carefully because this is very hot, friends. After this we can use or reuse the body of lights. We can cut this part. Well, like this we can damage it and we throw away. This part. We trim more evenly like this. Then we immediately glue using glue shoots. Well, we can use this as a holder like this. This is the result. Now we turn on. Well, now we can make aesthetic candles. And this is very interesting. Besides being a candle, lighting is a decoration and suitable for cafes or restaurants and others. The result is great. And this candle will be very durable because the candle liquid remains in the lights. The result is great. If the dark will be like this. And very aesthetic, my friends. And this works. Thank you for watching, hopefully useful. Goodbye.